In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate your entire Wix site. Duplicating your site is really useful if you want to redesign your website without risking your live version, test out new layouts, or create a similar site for a different project or client. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, you can make a full copy in just a few clicks. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you know exactly what to do and what to expect on screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you're in the Wix editor for the site you want to duplicate. Once you're inside the editor, look towards the top of the page where you'll see the main menu options. One of those options is labeled Site. This is where Wix keeps a lot of the settings and actions that affect your whole website, including the option to create a duplicate. Go ahead and click on Site. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several tools, but what we're interested in is the option that says Duplicate Site. This is the feature that creates a complete copy of your current website, including your pages, design, and content, so you can work on it separately. Now, move your cursor down the drop-down and click on Duplicate Site. After you click, Wix will start the process of creating a copy in the background. Depending on the size of your site and your internet connection, this might take a few moments, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once the duplication is done, you'll see a new version of your site appear in your Wix dashboard, usually with copy added to the original site name. This new copy is fully independent from your original. Any changes you make in the duplicated site will not affect the original one, which is exactly what you want when you're experimenting, rebranding, or building a new variation. A quick tip. After duplicating, it's a good idea to rename the new site to something clear and specific so you don't confuse it with the original. You can do that right from the dashboard. Also, remember that if your original site was connected to a domain or premium plan, the duplicate will not automatically inherit those connections. It stays as a separate draft until you choose to publish and connect it. And that's all there is to it. By clicking on Site, then Duplicate Site, you've successfully created a complete copy of your Wix website that you can customize freely without affecting your live site.